Hello, how are we doing? Bit of a different video today. Normally, the videos we produce on the channel are all about helping yourself out with technology and IT solutions. But it's a little bit of a kind of selfish video today, as it were, to say that we are currently recruiting. We're on the lookout for somebody to come and join our team. So I just wanted to put a little video together just to go through the details, and hopefully you guys can help me spread the word that we're after somebody. Maybe you know somebody and you can pass this on to them, and yeah, it'll be a really big help if you could do that for us. So I'm just going to go through very quickly just what we're after, what the role is, and what we can offer. And we'll whiz through. I do have some notes behind me where you can't see. So if you think I'm distracted today and I'm looking off camera, it's purely because I've made a few notes, because there's a few points I want to get across and I really didn't want to forget them. Okay, so we're looking to get somebody in to join our existing team. We are a business based in Redditch in Worcestershire. We provide IT services and computer services to other businesses. You will be joining a 6-person team. So whoever does join us needs to be comfortable working in a small team. The role that we're looking to fill is an IT support role. So it's an IT support engineer. And what we're after is somebody to provide IT support on the phone, using our remote support tools, but also really importantly with this particular role is also visiting customer sites. You'll roughly spend about 60 to 70% of your time here at the office, and the remaining 30 to 40% of your time will be spent on site with customers, either doing support or installing and setting up new equipment for them. So because of that, you will 100% need your own car, and you will therefore need a full UK driving licence, and you will need business insurance for your vehicle as well. So that is absolute key for this role. If you don't have that, then unfortunately this role isn't for you on this occasion. So a little bit more just to cover the basics of it, exactly what the role's all about. I am going to quickly just refer to my notes a second, so just bear with me. So yeah, it's providing support to our customers using our remote support software and over the phone, and helping people on site as well when we have to go to site. Also, it will be preparing and installing new hardware. So what I mean by that is computers, laptops, networking equipment like routers and switches and wireless access points, setting that up and delivering it to the end customer and setting it up on site for them, checking, testing, making sure they're happy with things before you leave. Because of that element, it is a customer facing role. So you need to be confident and comfortable going to face customers, and bear in mind a lot of our customers that we deal with are similar businesses to us, so therefore you will be dealing directly with fellow business owners and directors and senior management teams. All sounds scary. It's not, it's really not, but you just need to be comfortable with dealing with anybody in any position in any business basically. And don't get me wrong, most of our customers are completely lovely anyway. But yeah, there is that customer facing element to it, which you need to be comfortable and confident doing. You will respond to and resolve tickets via our help desk system, and we have service level agreements that we adhere to, and that is all monitored. If you've seen some of my other videos, or perhaps over on Insta, you'll see we have a reporting mechanism in our offices where we have screens with all the data on about who's solved what, who's working on what, who's responding to what. It's all there publicly available. We're all accountable to each other because it's all displayed on several big boards in our offices. So again, something you need to be comfortable with there. In terms of the kind of techie side of stuff, you need to be able to demonstrate your previous experience of working in a very similar kind of IT support role. I'm really realistically looking for somebody who's had a minimum of 12 months experience in a similar role. Certainly 12 months experience of working in technical services, IT support, that kind of thing is absolute key here. This isn't a trainee role. I need somebody to hit the ground running, and whilst we will teach you about the products and services that we specifically use, I still need you to have that grounding initially around things like Windows 10, Microsoft Office 365, networking equipment like switches, routers, wireless access points, And it would be really advantageous as well to have exposure to server products, Microsoft Windows Server products, specifically things around Active Directory, maintaining users, group policy knowledge would be fantastic. So them kind of things is what we're after. You will definitely need them technical skills to bring to the role. By the way, all the stuff I'm talking about, there is a link down below which outlines this in full detail. So if you need a bit more detail, I will do a link across to the actual proper job listing for you. Knowledge of things, particular products that we really, really like are things like Draytech and Ubiquiti and Unify wireless access points. If you've had exposure to them particular products, that will be massively advantageous to you because we love them products and we use them a lot. And specifically on the networking side of stuff around VPNs, virtual private networks, we do a lot with that kind of stuff. So again, advantageous if you already have a bit of knowledge on that would be great. Overall, you'll need certain traits. I'm not on about the technical side of stuff here. You're going to need certain traits to be a success in this role. You're going to need excellent communication skills because essentially, bottom line is we're a customer service business. We just so happen to do IT support, but we are a customer service business and everything we do therefore is around communication with our customers. That's on the phone, that's via our help desk, that's by going to see them. It needs to be on point at all times. It's key to what we do. You'll need excellent written English skills because where you will be doing lots of updates via our help desk, both for the customer and for us, for our own internal notes and documentation. So that needs to be, really, really good, of a really excellent standard. As I've mentioned, the ability to work as part of a small team is key. We are a small team. There's nowhere to hide here. So you need to be comfortable with that. Ability to work unsupervised is a given. We expect you to get on with things, and there will be times when you have to work under pressure. It's going to be a little bit stressful from time to time, this role. Again, you need to be comfortable with that, and perhaps you can tell me about previous things you've done where you've had to work under pressure, which might apply to us, which would be great. Obviously, the usual stuff here. We expect you to be punctual. We expect you to have a really good attendance record. And just overall, you need to be enthusiastic, you need to be a quick learner, you need to be hardworking. And just to stress, one of the points I made much earlier here is, again, you 100% need full UK driving licence, your own vehicle and business insurance. It's absolute key because we need you to go to site. That's the long and the short of it. The role here, what we can do for you is we can give you the opportunity to learn lots and lots of different technologies, lots of different solutions. Everybody who comes to work here massively expands their own knowledge. They leave here with much, much, much more knowledge than they began with. That is an absolute given. You'll be exposed to lots of new products, lots of new services. All the time we're evolving ourselves. We're always on the lookout for new systems and new products and new software, new security products. So we're always checking, testing, reviewing things ourselves internally. So we're always like, I want to say on the cutting edge, but we are certainly at the forefront. We're mindful all the time of what's new, what might be good for our customers. In terms of here, you'll be supported by the rest of your team in this role and you'll be mentored directly by me. It's my job to make you a success in this role and that is my personal responsibility. So you will be mentored by me on a daily and weekly basis. It's a 37.5-hour working week here. We work Monday to Friday, roughly 9 till 5. Sometimes you might work 8-4, but it's basically 9 till 5, Monday to Friday, basically. So if you're interested in this IT support engineer's role, please do check out the link below where it will take you over to the listing with all of the details which I've just talked about. It will tell you how to basically get the ball rolling to apply for this. All the details are there. If you've got any questions about this at all, reach out to me. You can give us a call or speak to my colleague Sophie Jones, just because I'm in and out the office an awful lot, but speak to Sophie. If Sophie can't answer your question, she'll pass it on to me and I'll get back to you. So please do get in contact with us if anything you're unsure on. Please just let us know. It's as simple as that. Ask questions. It's no problem at all. So if you know anybody who might be interested to come to work with us as an IT support engineer, please do share this video, pass on the link below, and hopefully we'll reach out to our successful candidate soon. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye.